Are you looking for a healthier version of pickle? Then you're in the right place. This recipe is healthier version of traditional lemon pickle. Let's see what makes this healthier. The first ingredient is fresh organic lemons. I'm using about 5 of those. Next healthy ingredient in this pickle is turmeric root. This is about 3 inches long. Thinly slice it after peeling it. Turmeric root is a great anti-inflammatory food, so if you have any kind of inflammation in the body, this is a great addition to your food. And the next ingredient we're using here, about a half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are good source of B vitamins, and then fenugreek seeds help in lowering your blood sugar levels. It's a very nutritious food, so we're going to grind both these seeds, and then the next ingredient is about a teaspoon or less of Himalayan pink salt. Use any sea salt. Okay, to start making the pickle, first we'll cut the lemons in quarters just like that, and then remove all the seeds because seeds can add bitter taste to your pickle. So you can use a sharp edge of a knife to just remove all the seeds from the lemons one by one. And then next healthy ingredient that goes in this pickle is the extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, which is also a great anti-inflammatory food. So add about half a cup of that. The next ingredient here is freshly ground black pepper, about 1 teaspoon of that, a little more if you want it a little more spicy. Black pepper is also great for reducing any kind of inflammation in the body, so do add freshly ground black pepper. There you have it, all the ingredients together. Let's recap one more time. We have thinly sliced turmeric root, some green chilies, EVOO, sea salt, and then mustard and fenugreek seeds grounded, and then the lemons quartered just like that after removing all the seeds. Now we're going to start by heating the pan on a very low flame. This has to be really low. Don't try to actually cook the lemon on high heat. So on a very low flame, you're going to add the extra virgin olive oil, and then the other ingredients of the pickle go inside one by one, and then you can stir it up nicely. Now cover the pan and let it soften nicely. It might take about 30 minutes, not more than that, on a very low heat, until you see the lemons have softened and some of the juices have come out. You can turn off the heat. We're not going to simmer it or anything. Just make sure it's little soft now, because eventually when you put the pickle in the jar, it'll soften some more. So towards the end, very end, you can just add the black pepper powder just like that and stir it up nicely, and there you have it. The lemon pickle is ready to go in the jars. Make sure you have sterilized your jars. This way they'll be clean and no molds will form on the pickle. So as you keep these for about 2 or 3 weeks, it'll soften some more, but you can start eating it right away. You might feel a little bit of bitterness in the beginning, but as these soften, the bitterness reduces. I just put some more olive oil on the top so that it's nicely drenched in olive oil. You can store this in refrigerator for 2 to 3 months. It's a great relish with any kind of rice and roti. Do try this recipe and feel the good change. Until next time, stay healthy.